Hello friends and welcome back to another video. Today I am sharing this very easy yet beautiful stamping nail art design. And I have used a brown polish as the base and a pink polish as the stamping polish. And I added a few glitter and your nail art is done. So for this, first apply a base coat and then apply a brown polish on your nails. Over here I am using a slightly glittery brown polish because I just love this brown polish. You can apply 1 or 2 layers as per your wish and let it dry off completely. Then I took the stamping plate and I chose this beautiful leaf design and I used a pink polish on it. Swipe off the excess and take it up on the stamping head and then stamp it on your nails. Then clean up the sides and then I added a few blue glitter bits on it to make it even a little bit more attractive. And once you're happy, you can finish off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat and remember to seal in the design. And you can see you got this beautiful gorgeous nail art design. And I repeated the same process, but this time I chose another design which is a little bit more intricate. And following the same process, I stamped it on my nail and I added the glitter here and there. And finally finish off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat when the stamping polish dries off completely. You can see it's looking so beautiful. And I repeated the process on my other nails as well. Once you stamp on your nail, you can remove most of the stamping polish by using a sellotape, and for the areas around the cuticle you can use a nail polish remover and a cleanup brush to get close enough to remove the excess stamping polish from your nails. And you can finish off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat once the glitter particles are added. And in this manner you can quickly get very beautiful nail art designs. On my thumb I had used this beautiful flower design, and following the same process I got the final result. So with this I come to the end of this nail art tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching this very easy stamping nail art design using pink and brown polishes, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And thanks for watching.